to kind of hear from other designers too, and kind of have that small group rather than, I mean, one-on-one coaching is so great, but to kind of hear what other people are saying is also really helpful.
When people were offering up their experiences, you learn from others, and that's the whole point of the group.
You've been so generous and kind with your time, your talent, your expertise, and sharing with us.
Initially, I found you just with free content, and I think that, again, that speaks to your credibility, because I do feel like you genuinely care about the success of other people, and you're not just trying to like get people's money.
And like for me, finding your consistency as well as your style, and just like your accessibility and your like wealth of information, there's so much there.
I want to thank you because you're putting everything out there. You are just so authentic. You are so much yourself. And to see how real you are and to get to know you on a one-to-one basis, just it's really fun.